We've previously dropped in to see Ben from Prospeed Precision. His vice of choice is the Orange Vise from Leader Chuck International. Why though?
So we chose the Orange Vise mainly for their versatility. There are a lot of vices on the market for work holding in milling machines. But because we are a subcontract shop, we chose this because we can go anything between single station, dual station, soft jaws, hard jaws, pallet systems. It's a kind of a one-stop vice for doing everything that we need as a subcontract machine shop.
Nice and simple, really. But when you first bought them, you only bought two, but what's happened since then?
So yeah, we originally bought two and then realised that we could actually do with a couple more to try and fill the space on the table of our machine for production runs and various work holding applications. So yeah, we went on and bought another two, literally maybe a month after we bought the first two.
Now, engineers, they want to be machining things like that, but you do have to service these things occasionally. Is that easy?
Servicing is really easy. There's two grub screws just to take the jaws off the top, and the carriage slides out from the front, and you can just sweep it all out, blow it all out, wipe it down, back together, maybe 3 or 4 minutes.
So is that quick and that simple?
Very, very simple.
Okay, so you've got flexibility and ease of use. Anything else we need to add to that?
So yeah, we basically, if you wanted to swap between a soft jaw and a hard jaw, it's again the two grub screws, flip the jaws round, and it's a dovetail locating system with a location pin as well. So it negates the need to recut soft jaws for subsequent setups. So if you've got a job that you've machined once, when you come to do that job again, the location on the jaws is so that you can just literally put it in and the soft jaws are located, I think, within about 10 microns.
So you're getting there then, flexibility, accuracy and ease of use. So there you have it, the Orange Vise being used by Ben at Prospeed down in Ramsgate. Thank you very much.